My slide has stopped working and I opened up, the switch is fine. I've tested the switch. I open up the controller to inspect. This is the quality of the construction. This is how this camper left the factory. This whole thing is loose. It's held in by a single screw right here, this black screw. And the entire thing has never been mounted because you can see the controller hits the top of the bottom of this piece of wood above. There is no securing attachment of any other kind other than this single black screw. Nothing. The whole thing is just sitting here, rattling down the road, moving in all directions. No wonder it failed. No wonder it failed. I cannot believe that this left the factory in this way.